What's up, online shoppers? Have you ever accidentally punched a hole in your wall with your door handle because the door opened too quickly? Maybe somebody had a temper tantrum, pushed the door open, or maybe things just got out of hand. The wind came along and slammed the door into your wall, and now you have to deal with an unsightly dent. Well, I have this awesome idea that might just prevent you from costly repairs. Ducki wall protector. Now, this was gifted to me by the brand, and I have installed these all over my house, and I am in love. These are fantastic. These are definitely your wall's new best friend. Stick right where your doorknob handle would hit on the wall. Made of durable PU rubber that is not going to crack or break. They come in a handy 4-pack, which means you can put them all over your house if you want to. Now, they do come in a variety of sizes. They have small, large, they have original. So these ones here are the original ones. Super sticky adhesive. You can actually move if you need to. You just have to be really careful. Some wall coverings are going to be a little bit more resistant to it moving than others. But if you want to use it on wood, on wallpaper, on painted surfaces, on metal, you've got lots of different options. The only ones that I would say probably need a little bit of extra care are when you're moving this off of a painted surface. I think that these are really cool because they're ultra discreet. The transparent gel is pretty much going to blend into whatever color you place it on, even on textured surfaces. So if you put this on wallpaper, the wallpaper pattern or the wood grain will actually come right through your Ducki. Now, the fact that these are so easy to install means you will love the convenience of these. And if you make a mistake, or if you no longer need it in that particular area, you can definitely just move it. Another place I've discovered this works really well, there's a desk in my son's room that butts up against the wall. When it moves, it leaves unsightly marks on the wall. So a couple of these Duckis stuck in the right place keep the desk away from the wall, and it also creates a little bit of clearance so I can snake the cord down and plug it into the outlet without having any difficulty. Washable and UV resistant, so they're not going to turn yellow quickly either. Now, they have their Ducki logo right on the front. How I install these, so we're gonna go over to my powder room and I'm gonna put one of these right behind the door handle to prevent dings on my wall. Here we are in my bathroom, and I have no door stopper here. So you can hear that that's going to be really noisy if I continue to allow the door to open all the way. So I'm just going to take my Ducki right here. You can see the little duck, and I'm going to move the door back. Now, I have cleaned the wall to make sure that it is nice and ready. And all I have to do is just put this on like that. Give it a little push. You can see how it blends right into the wall. Give it a little bit of time, and even the little air bubbles behind are going to dissipate. And then all you'll have is just this clear little knob that will be the way that prevents your door handle from crashing into your drywall. Look at that. Quiet, not noisy, and lining up exactly where that door handle is. Pretty awesome. Low effort, high impact solution that solves common household annoyance. It's a great way to protect your surface without adding bulky stoppers. It's clever and friendly. Just prep your wall right behind where you're going to apply it, and you're good to go. Installation's a breeze. They last a long time. These Ducki door stoppers are a family favorite at our house.